Hi, friends. I hope this finds you happy, healthy, and safe. Today, we are looking at a story honoring Native American families. So today's letter of the day is F. Say it with me 3 times. F. 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 Good job saying F with me. And F is for family. So today's story is Frybread. You can see it written here. And Frybread was written by Kevin Noble Mallard. So if you look at the cover here, you can see all of those hands reaching for the Frybread. So Frybread, a Native American family story, and you can see that girl there carrying the Frybread. I bet she's carrying it to her family. So Frybread is food. Flour, salt, water, cornmeal, baking powder, perhaps milk, maybe sugar, all mixed together in a big bowl. So you can see them there. Frybread is shape. Hands mold the dough, flat like a pancake, round like a ball, or puffy like Nana's softest pillow. Frybread is sound. The skillet clangs on the stove. The fire blazes from below. Drop the dough in the skillet. The bubbles sizzle and pop. Frybread is color. Golden brown, tan, or yellow. Deep like coffee, sienna, or earth. Light like snow and cream. Warm like rays of sun. It's starting to warm up outside with those rays of sun because it's spring. Frybread is flavor. See beans or soup. Smell tacos, cheese, and vegetables. Delight in honey and jam. Rise to discover what brings us together. So food is one of those things that brings us together, especially those favorite foods like Frybread. Frybread is time. On weekdays and holidays, supper or dinner, powwows and festival, moments together with family and friends. So it's fun to spend time with family and friends. Frybread is art, sculpture, landscape, portrait, or daily craft. Shared from teacher to student, a cycle of heritage and fortune. You can see them all there. Frybread is history, the long walk, the stolen land, strangers in our own world. With unknown food, we made new recipes with what we had. So they used what they had available to them. Frybread is place. Alaska, Kansas, all the way to Maine, down to Delaware, on to Georgia, over to Oklahoma, Colorado, and California. Cities and towns we call home. I call Missouri home. Where do you call home? Frybread is nation, Abenaki, Apache, Arapaho, Ojibwe, Navajo, Nipmuc Seminole, Shoshone, Sac, and Fox. Hundreds and hundreds of tribes. Fry bread is everything. Round, flat, large, small, north, south, east, west. Brown, yellow, black, white, familiar and foreign, old and new, we come together. So there's lots of different people in the world, but we all come together. So Fry Bread is us. We are still here. Elder and young, friend and neighbor. So even during times like today, we are still here. We strengthen each other to learn, change, and survive. So you see her helping the person smaller than she. So Fry Bread is you. So to make Kevin's fry bread, it's 1 pint of boiling water, 1 cup cornmeal, 1/2 cups cold water, 1/2 ounce of dry or instant yeast, approximately 2 packages, 1 cup raw sugar, 1 teaspoon sea salt, 3/2 cups flour, 32-ounce unrefined coconut oil. Here is the recipe used in this book for fry bread. However, if you go down to the comments below, we have 2 additional recipes for fry bread that you can make with your family today to extend the story and come together like they did in the book. So friends, remember to come together. Cooking is a great way to come together and do things with your family and have some fun with your friends. I hope you have a really great day. I hope you enjoyed this story today, and I hope to see you back here for another story time soon. Bye-bye.